Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can sign up to Fansly. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything, and if you have any queries or any problems just let me know in the comment section right away and follow me guys now, and let's just get started. So firstly what you need to do is just go to your web browser and just type Fansly, and then just go with the first thing over here, and you will be redirected to this particular platform where you can sign up and log in and do whatever you want. So for signing up you have many options. So you can sign in with Twitter, sign in with Google, sign in with Twitch. So let me just go to the sign up option, and over here just enter a username that you want to have and enter a valid email address that you have, and then just make a password. So just remember guys, your password must contain these characters. So contains a lowercase character, uppercase character, contains the numbers, special character, and confirm your password. And then by pressing on join, your account will be created. You can sign up like this. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.